Hello gorgeous and welcome. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back guys. Sorry for the way I look. I just came out of the bathroom, and the reason why I didn't dress it, I was having a whole karaoke thing here, me and baby boy that's playing over there now, but I'm gonna get done now. I only have a shirt under here. I have this rope on because I can take out the outfit for me, but I don't feel that outfit, so I'm gonna change it now. Yes, I'm gonna change it now. Yes. See you guys now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Sorry, my comments were turned off, but I'm gonna turn it on as soon as I get done now. So by the time this video will be uploaded. What? So by the time this video will be uploaded, then my comment section will be turned on, guys. So yeah, yet again, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And if you like the video, then just hit that like button. In the mirror,
to go to my channel, and I'm gonna show you how to get number changes to 1 a.m. into 2 a.m. straps share, and you waited for too long, and then you can literally get number changes. I think it's getting closer. Getting closer to 1 a.m. Yeah, guys, it's not done yet. I swear I just got number JJ because I literally just got it. It's an Easter egg. It's an Easter egg. I'm literally just becoming really smart. Okay, and you click on him, you get a badge. And finally, now you got Nightmare JJ. And I want to show you. Look, badge of Easter egg.
Y'all, this is the situation over here. I don't know yet what I'm gonna make. Sorry, baby boy. This box thingy like this, but let me just take it out. This thing I did it pulled it at words. Go in the oven, but I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with it, and then I cut the potatoes, and obviously because what my style up. Amen, guys. This is the meal. Yes, mushrooms in as well, and I added full cream, so it's a bit creamy. Nice. What am I missing? Always taking all day time. Hey y'all, I know this is weird. I just made Emran sleep now. Ik kan natuurlijk niks doen. Die kind is entire is feeding weer eens. So if he's feeding, he just wants to be by me. Yo, nothing, just scream. That's okay. Now it's time for the hair, guys. What? Then this is the hair. So you guys, yo, other like liquor. My mom bought this, and then the stew next to it, my daddy made. So it's agni. And then it's a steak stew, and then a beetroot, and then I'm gonna pour me Coke now. I actually don't want to drink Coke anymore, but yo, as a bit hard, means it's a bit difficult. I want to get over the Coke, but for now, I think I did good. I didn't drink Coke the whole week. The whole week I didn't drink Coke, so I might as well drink it now as a reward for myself, because I didn't drink Coke the whole week. God is good, God is. Hey guys, come let's get my bed ready. Baby boy is downstairs. I'm gonna make my bed ready quickly. Then I'm gonna go fetch him. First, remove all these pillows. So guys, it's raining outside and yes, my bed was made up, but I'm getting comfortable to come lay again. Oh, it's raining and I prefer being in bed. Yay! Girl! Now you see, the only thing I don't like about this is Taro, wat first is die? En die ander een zo'n gerato? Hoik. I like hoik. Because snoek is niet een gerato, dus dat is baie lekker, maar ik hou niet van die gerato nie. Hey guys, sorry if I look, it's cold outside and it's pouring, it's raining, it's pouring. I just wanted to show you guys, my mommy dropped this in my room last night, not last night but yesterday. See, my daddy went to the doctor, was my dad's appointment, and then they came back, left this here in my room. Big bag, Pip, a big bag, but not even a lot of stuff. But I didn't look at the stuff that's inside because we're gonna look at it. Emran's literal new favorite, honey. Yeah, mommy. Anyway, guys, so she just dropped the bag here in my room because we were sleeping. It was most lekker cold yesterday. My ma's so old, guys. Like, oh, young mama, look at this, guys. This is so cute. Pip, cute. Guys, she is so cute. Now is that you always make sure to buy a green kiss stuff. Altijd, even if it's just like snacks. If you have a mother or a father and your parents can still be able to buy your child stuff, it's just heartwarming, like for real, guys. I'm having my little niece over, my sister's daughter, so she's sleeping by me.
Always taking notes every time I try with a nigga. I just don't want to take on. What am I missing? Seem like game one from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me out the club, one hit it.